Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel with Shane and Nyla.
Hello.
Here to show you our 86 El Camino. The second to last year they made this vehicle. They quit making them in 87. Beautiful silver and gray two-tone paint. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. That actually has front disc brakes on the car. A real tasteful aftermarket wheel that matches the paint. Again, beautiful gray, two-tone and silver.
Really nice paint job.
All the trim on the car is nice and clean and clear. All the glass is nice and clean and clear. Small block Chevy automatic transmission. The original gray velour seats.
Gray on gray.
All original equipment in there.
Really pretty.
I think this El Camino is about as original as they come.
Alrighty. We'll get that engine started, take a look at the engine bay, then me and Shane are gonna hop in and take it for a spin. Stay tuned.
El Camino.
All right.
I mean, this dashboard and everything on this car is just like it looked like in 1986.
Is it original miles? Do we know?
I don't know. Wouldn't surprise me. It's clean enough to be.
It is super clean.
Here it comes out cold right away. The El Camino.
We're cruising.
Best of both worlds, hot rod and truck. The headliner's real nice. Seems the ride real smooth. The brakes are very good on it. Steering feels good. Got a cowl hood on it.
Right.
That wasn't factory, that's an aftermarket hood. Pretty cool. Give it a little meaner look in the front.
Super quiet and super smooth. Seats are in really good condition. Everything. Very clean car. So we're going to turn it around. I'll get it back on the lift and we'll take a look at the undercarriage. Come check it out. Skyway Classics.